Mindfulness, finding inner peace in a busy world. Mindfulness, finding inner peace in a busy world. In today's fast-paced and busy world, finding inner peace may seem like a global that is too elusive or even far-fetched, especially for young people. But recently, mindfulness has emerged as a powerful technique to help people from all walks of life navigate the chaos and find serenity in their daily lives. Learn more about mindfulness and how it helps not only your physical well-being but also your mental health. Rooted in ancient traditions such as Buddhism and Hinduism, mindfulness has gained a decent level of popularity, especially in the West in recent years. Mindfulness is seen today as an effective tool for not only promoting physical health but also mental well being. It can be quite interesting to understand the underlying principle behind mindfulness, its myriad advantages to our physical and mental health, as well as various techniques that can be employed to cultivate it in our daily life. The benefit of mindfulness considered a part of positive psychology. Mindfulness has with it many advantages that can do your not only your mental state but also your emotional and even psychological state a world of good, especially with regular practice. The science backed benefit of mindfulness include the following: reduce stress. When you practice mindfulness, you intentionally focus on the present moment, which cultivates a non-judgmental awareness of your own thought, feeling, bodily sensation. Mindfulness enables you to acknowledge and accept stressors instead of ruminating and responding with a default reaction. As you develop this skill through constant practice, you become better equipped to manage stressful situations through rational, calm responses. Mindfulness also encourages everyone to do away with negative emotion through the use of observance, sense, any identification attachment. If you train yourself to be more mindful by the day, you can gain more perspectives and therefore reduce the impact of your frustration or distress on your mental health. It's also good to note that mindfulness practices like meditation can increase gray matter density in a specific brain region for cognitive control and attention, especially when practiced habitual. Mindfulness can enhance focus and concentration. The ability to pay constant attention to the present moment without judgment can make you better manage your distraction. In turn, prioritize your tasks more efficiently by striving to have mindful awareness. You can step into your full cognitive potential and channel all of your attention toward the task at hand. Mindfulness also helps you avoid the mental clutter that often accompanies your day-to-day tasks. As mindfulness technique improve your working memory capacity, you can effectively hold and process complex information in mind effectively. In addition to this, mindfulness can also foster self-awareness, prompting you to recognize moments when you lack focus. In turn, you develop strategies to quickly regain your concentration and finish the task you have to do. enhance emotions and regulation. As it's being established that mindfulness allows you to become your emotions as temporary experience rather than getting swept away by them. You can also develop the skills of recognizing the arising and passing nature of emotion. In turn, you respond to your surrounding rationally and effectively instead of reacting impulsively. Apart from this, mindfulness also enhances your emotional intelligence, giving you a way to understand yourself, other emotions more deeply. When you practice mindfulness techniques like meditations and breathing exercise, you can strengthen your calmness and train yourself to stay calm amid challenging situations and make decisions grounded on reason and not emotion. Better overall physical health. It has been shown in studies that mindfulness can promote, enhance immune function and attention regulation, decrease inflammations marked in the body. As for eating habit, mindfulness has also shown promising impact on weight management. Mindful eating is said to improve self control, especially among those with brain eating tendencies. These show us that incorporating mindfulness into daily routine could be a very effective strategy for optimizing physical health. All in all, mindfulness improves how we manage stress, how our immune system function, as well as maintain our cardiovascular health and even regulate our eating behavior. How mindfulness promotes inner peace. As discussed, mindfulness is rooted in ancient Buddhist tradition, has gained significant recognition in recent years for its remarkable capacity to bring inner peace into one's life by cultivating a heightened sense of awareness and non judgmental attentiveness to the present moment. Mindfulness offers a powerful tool for professionals seeking tranquility amidst the chaos and demand of their work environment through techniques such as mindfulness exercises, mindfulness meditations, or body scan meditation. You can effectively reduce your stress level, improve your emotional regulation, increase your ability to focus on tasks at hand. This enhances mental clarity and enable you to respond to challenges with grace and composure and find in yourself a sense of calmness that you may notice you haven't experienced before. Moreover, practicing mindfulness fosters self-compassion, kindness and acceptance, silencing the inner critics that often plague perfectionist. The resulting inner peace not only enhances productivity but also engender a greater sense of fulfillment and contentment in any of your endeavors. Way to be mindful in your everyday life. Mindfulness can still be a vague and ambiguous concept to some people. Fortunately, there are steps that anyone can take to incorporate mindfulness into their life routine. See the difference that it makes in your psychological and emotional health through time. Present in tasks. Set clear intentions to be present in every task. Start the day by taking a few moments to ground yourself and set your attention on your breath and mental state. Acknowledgement of thought and emotions. Cultivate awareness of your own thought and emotions and acknowledge them non judgmentally. Meditation techniques redirect attention to bodily sensation or using guided meditations to promote relaxation. Active listening. Make sure you fully engage with other without any distraction. Mindfulness practices outside work hours. Practices like yoga, mindful breathing, or journalizing can improve your resilience in life and enhance your overall well being. Can mindfulness be integrated into therapy? Therapy? Absolutely. Therapists can integrate mindfulness program into traditional therapy approach such as cognitive behavior therapy CBT by teaching client meditation practices and integrating mindful awareness exercises during session. These integrations enable client to identify their negative thought pattern challenges these unhelpful beliefs effectively manage their emotional creativity and even savor more positive emotions and healthy thinking.